Before joining a conversation in Microphone Teams, it's always a good idea to check your microphone to ensure you'll be heard clearly. Start by clicking the microphone icon. This lets you see at a glance whether your mic is on or muted, helping you avoid awkward moments of speaking into silence. Next, head to your custom setup by opening the settings menu. Here, you can choose the microphone and speaker you'd like to use, tailoring the setup to match your preferred devices. This step is crucial for ensuring your audio quality is crisp and reliable, making every conversation clearer and more engaging. Once your settings are adjusted, click Join Now to enter the meeting with confidence, knowing your audio is working exactly as intended. Following this simple process not only prepares you for a smooth meeting experience, but also allows you to communicate effectively with your team or clients every time.